Drivers need to have insurance coverage, it is essential. It can be a total pain to figure out which auto insurance policy is best for your particular situation. Read on to find some useful tips on how to sort through all the information so that you can get the right amount of coverage for the best price. You do not need to automatically rule out purchasing a sports car due to the mistaken belief that sports cars always have higher insurance premiums. However, only a few sports cars come with higher premiums. It's worth your time investment to call an insurance agent or request some online quotes to see what car insurance would cost for the car you want, along with your driving history and other factors. Don't buy your teenage children their own cars or insurance plans. Try to share your car with your teenagers. Adding them as a secondary driver to your current insurance plan is cheaper than giving them their own car insurance policy. Some companies offer discounts for students with qualifying grades. You can raise your deductibles to lower the premium on your auto insurance. If your insurance deductibles are high, your rates may be lower as insurance companies believe that you will not file claims on smaller amounts. If you do use this tactic, remember that you will have to pay more money should you need to submit a claim. Keeping mileage down is an effective way to keep insurance costs low. If decreasing your miles is not easily achievable, consider buying a cheap, second vehicle. You may discover that it is more cost-effective to insure 2 low-mileage vehicles per year than one car with very high mileage. Maintaining a spotless driving record is easily the soundest advice you will ever get for car insurance. Nothing sends your insurance payments skyrocketing as rapidly as a driving accident. If you are at risk of getting in an accident, try to avoid the situation. For example, if you have trouble with your vision at night, avoid driving after daylight hours. Read your policy closely to ensure you will be provided a rental car when necessary. This way you can avoid the costs of having to pay for supplementary insurance to cover rentals. The extra policy can be as much as $20 per day. In addition, your car may take a while to repair. When you are buying car insurance, make sure you get property damage liability. This covers damages that your vehicle may have caused during an accident. Almost every state requires this coverage. Many add to this coverage for uninsured drivers who lack this liability insurance. When you're in a bad accident, the property damage can be expensive. Therefore, by having a high amount of coverage in this area, you may actually save money. Most insurance companies can drop your coverage for no reason within 60 days. During that time period, the insurer reviews your record to make sure you are not a high risk. If your policy is terminated by your insurance company, you will risk having to pay more for insurance in the coming years. What kind of vehicle you buy will strongly influence the cost of your monthly insurance premiums. You may have refined tastes and want something luxurious, but the insurance bill will reflect this choice. The most cost-effective choice is to find a simple, yet safe, vehicle that you like. The higher the value of your car and personal assets, the higher level of liability coverage you will need. Look into 100/200/100 coverage. In a number of states, you must carry a minimum amount of liability insurance. Therefore, you should ascertain that your policy is written in line with the state requirements at the very least. Know the limits of your insurance coverage before you install valuable aftermarket parts on your automobile. Often, the company will only cover the value added to the entire car, not the actual cost of the additions. Don't get caught without auto insurance today. It also can save you a lot of money in the event of an accident. The tips you've read in this article will help you find the auto insurance you need. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.